Class 8th student, it's a part 9, chapter 1. Here we are revised exercise G. Question number 5. What should a farmer do to avoid wastage of water in his field? Explain any two methods. So a farmer should do two methods, that drip irrigation and the sprinkle irrigation, for reduce the wastage of water in his field. Now we discuss both of the in detail as it is a long question. In sprinkler irrigation system, it is more useful on uneven dry lands where there is insufficient water supply, means the land which is not even means uneven, some part is higher and the some is lower, just like, and the water supply is not sufficient. In this system, a main pipe is linked to a network of small pipes crisscrossing each other. These are crossing each other with a rotating nozzle on their tops. Water flows into the main pipe and then into the smaller pipes with the help of a pump. Thus, the plants get a continuous supply of water for a long time. Here you can see the sprinkler irrigation system. This one. The second one is the drip irrigation system. It is the best technique to water fruit plants and the vegetable. In this method, water is allowed to fall drop by drop only at the roots of the plant, thus avoiding the wastage of water. This method is excellent where regions with severe scarcity of the water. Here you can see the water is provided at the tip of the root only, and here the wastage of water is minimum. Now exercise H out of the box. Question number 1. Why do people prefer organically grown fruits and vegetables? So organic, we know this thing that the organic farming do not have any involvement of the chemicals like pesticides and the insecticides. So the organically grown fruits and vegetables are free from the pesticides or the chemicals. They are safe from the chemicals. They are safe for the eating. That's why people prefer the organically grown fruit and vegetables. Question number 2. Arjun's mother told him to wash the apple and grapes thoroughly with water before eating them, as our elders also suggest us to wash up the food items before eating, as they were bought from a wholesale market. Why? So we know this thing that we are purchasing this from wholesale market. It may contain pesticides or some insecticides, dust, dirt and the harmful elements. That's why we have to first wash them thoroughly and then eat them. Or we know this thing also that there is a spraying of some chemicals to increase their shelf life, by it could be look fresh for a long time. That's why we have to wash them first. The next is, why can't paddy be grown in the winter season? Because it needs a plenty of water. Paddy is a kharif crop and it needs plenty of water. That's why we have to grow it in a winter season. The question number 4. Why are earthworms called farmer's friend? Earthworm is called the farmer friend because it makes the soil porous. And this porous soil increase water holding capacity. porous soil having increased water holding capacity, and these are also helpful into biodegradable waste into manure. This is also helpful to convert the biodegradable waste into the manure. That's why the earthworm known as the friends of farmers. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.